Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's quickly talk about the loadout. So for optional internal, you're going to want cargo racks. You want to be, obviously some of you might be starting off in smaller ships, but you want as much cargo as you can fit as possible, okay? Collector limpets. You want a collector limpet controller. All right, this will program your limpets to go out and collect, you know, the raw materials. I have two of them on here because I want to get this done as fast as possible. You need a refinery. A refinery, once those limpets go out and collect the raw materials, a refinery is going to compound those and put them into one solid unit. So you need a refinery. Prospector limpets controller. This is very important because when you you use these to analyze if that core indeed has void opals or alexandrites or diamonds or and what have you. So you need prospector limpet controller. And a detailed surface scanner. When you go to the planet, remember, you go to ice rings. When you go to the ice ring, you take out your detailed surface scanner, you shoot the ring, it'll give you hot spots, and it'll tell you what is in that specific region. Pro tip, do not ever remove, if you're mining, don't ever remove this. If you remove this surface scanner, those hot spots and everything that you previously scanned will go away. So keep it on your ship. Okay, hard points. Seismic charge launcher. This is what you shoot at the asteroid to blow it up. You need one of those. And then the abrasion blaster. Once it's blown up, there's surface material that you need to shoot off to collect the material. And that's what the abrasion blaster does. Okay, utility mounts, a pulse wave analyzer. This is what you use to register which cores to look at. They're going to look like golden nuggets with this thing, okay? That's what you're looking for, rocky golden nuggets. Now, before I forget, you need to purchase the actual limpets. And to do that, you go into the main area here, go to advanced maintenance, go to restock, go to limpet control, and purchase your limpets through here. Okay, so when you arrive to an ice belt, it needs to be an ice belt, you're going to want to open up your analysis mode, okay, and get your surface scanner. Alright, and then you get into your surface scanner and blast the ring. Okay, then you're going to have hot spots show up like this. And you want to find, it'll tell you what the hot spots are. Void opals, void opals, void opals. Alexandrite's good. Let's go to this cluster of void opals. I hit right in the middle. Alright, let's go through my fire group. Group A, Prospector Limpet, and Pulse Wave Analyzer. This makes sense because you're pulsing and shooting your Prospector. Group B, we have I doubled up on the Collector Limpet controller, and then I have the Abrasion Blaster, and on C is the just Seismic Charge Launcher standalone. Okay, so let me take care of these pirates. Hang on. And that's why you don't hit a cutter. Okay, so we're looking for bright rocks as we scan here. There's a couple different flavors. And then when you look over here, okay, they light up, but these are not bright enough, okay? So you just ignore these. This one looks like a winner. It's really, really kind of rocky and jaggedy. Color looks pretty good, though it's a little faint. However, might as well just double check, but... Alright, so we found Void Opal Core. So what do we do from here? Well, you get your seismic charger. And you're going to look for the fissure. Okay, there's 3 types of fissure strengths. Low, average, and high. This one is a high strength. Now, you see the 3 little gauges there? Watch as I want to fully charge this and get it on that bullseye. This is a full strength, this high strength, so you want to hit it high. And you see this little detonation yield field? You have 2 minutes, okay, to get that little frequency fluctuating in the blue. The best way to do this is the highest yield is when they're jumping and dancing in the blue. I like to hit usually 3 highs and an average strength. So this is a high strength. Get it on there. Okay. Asteroid fissure. Here's another high strength. Great. So you're a little more difficult when they're moving, but you'll get the hang of it. Okay, now we want a... see, here we go. We're going to almost get nailed there. Now we want, this gets tricky when you have some dancing in the blue. You don't want a high strength, you're going to overshoot. You're going to mess up your yield. Average, you know what? Let's just try average. Worst case scenario is you disable, if you go over and you're dancing in the red, disable one of your charges. We're going to hit this. It's okay though. It's okay, I like to party. Here we go. Average, get in the middle. Oh, I missed it. Asteroid fissure, high strength. Screw it, guys. Here we go. There we go. So I didn't fully charge at for the high strength because we would have overshot, but I'm going to be about 1 kilometer away. You enjoy the fireworks. So look at, since we got it in the blue, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have 10 abrasions, not to mention we'll probably have 10 to 13 chunks, okay, to pick up. This was perfect. We are going to get a ton of void opals for this, because I currently, 19? We're probably going to get 13 units of refined void opals. So let's get the limpets out there. They're all out there doing their thing. And then we get the abrasion blaster. Highlight, let it lock into place a bit there, and shoot. And we just go all along here. So you're gonna lock, shoot. Lock, and it's gonna kind of auto. There you go. Well, there you have it, guys. That's mining. So have fun, enjoy, and it's not as complicated as you think.